Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Christmas is here, and in order for me to get into the holiday spirit, I'll be making some peppermint butter cookies. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
This cookie recipe is very easy and buttery. It'll make your friends and family believe that they were store-bought. I've combined the butter, sugar, and salt. I'll now cream them together until smooth. And please, if you don't want to go into muscle failure, use a hand mixer. I'll now whisk the eggs and vanilla extract together and then add it to the butter mixture. I'll sift the flour into the mixture just to break up any lumps. I'll fold in the cake flour a little at a time until combined. I use cake flour so that the cookies can be a little softer. I'll now add the cookie dough into a pastry bag equipped with a star tip and pipe circles on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. The parchment paper kept moving, but I pressed on. I'll bake the cookies at 375 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes or until the edges are a little golden. While the cookies cooled, I melted some milk chocolate in the microwave and crushed a few candy canes. I'll now dip half of a cookie in the chocolate and sprinkle with a few pieces of the candy canes. I'll repeat this process until all the cookies are covered. And there you have it, peppermint butter cookies that your family and friends won't believe are homemade. If you're not a fan of the peppermints, you can omit the candy canes and use sprinkles or just add chocolate. As always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Tuesday and Friday when I post. Bye!